Ripples of love flowing free, a tender glow, a sacred key. Harmonizes. Light flows where the shadows go. Feel the love, let it grow. Crystal waters cleanse the pain. Harp waves whisper, break the chain. Through every tear we rise again. Light flows where the shadows go. Feel the love, let it grow. Soft tones waving, hearts aligning, wounds dissolve, the soul is shining, forgiveness blooms, the past